Guys, this is just a quick one. I've walked into Southend, had some business to do, had to go to the job centre, etc, etc. Anyway, whilst I'm here, I've always seen this building. The door's been broken before in the past, and today, I decided to take another look, and as you can see behind me, the door was pretty much wide open. Just pulled it open. So I've taken a nice look around. Yeah, this is inside. So I'll take one more nice and easy look around now, probably get some still photos quickly, and then onwards and upwards to the job centre. As I say, only a quick one guys, but curiosity and all that, I've been dying to have a look inside here, just see what it's all about, and here we are. Right, so there we go, Owen's home, inside. Just as we come in through the door now, we've got our stage area here, some chairs and stuff. There's an old pool table or snooker table on the floor here. Take a look around, there we go. Something there, got a piano in the corner here. It's it works, it's all good. Yeah, so little cupboards and stuff. I don't know what this is all about here. Some codes, probably for security, which, to be fair, doesn't seem to be working. We've got the gents' toilets here. I don't have a torch with me, guys, so there we go. Nothing special really, just run-of-the-mill average toilets. There you go, unflushed, nice. That's through there. Ladies' toilets, that's that one. Not an awful lot in that one either, guys. So there we go, that's pretty much it. Gonna walk through here. This is the kitchen. Not a lot of stuff here. Hymns of worship revised. Organ copy, there we go. So, little book there, guys. Checkbook and everything. Fantastic. I won't film that, obviously. GDPR and all that stuff. There we go, a little spare room. There we go, that's everything in here. Some numbers and stuff, microwave. Might have to blur some of that out. That's about it really. Filing cabinet. And then it's back round in a circle again. And then we go. And back out here again. And this is the inside. As I say, it's a short one, guys. Just taking a quick mooch in here before I have to go to the job centre in town. Thought, why not? Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Remember to share, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy, guys. Right, so yeah, we're outside at the moment, and I'm going to take a walk around the outside, just to show you the outside, so we can say that bit's done as well. There we go. So this is in Southend-on-Sea, guys. Happy days.
Thank you for watching. Please press the circle to subscribe. Why not check out one of our other videos?